Preparing ourselves for this pandemic, well, no one could have prepared themselves better than the Sri Ram School Aravali, since we were into online teaching way before. But at the same time, I guess it isn't a matter of pride, since the pandemic has been the worst that could have possibly hit mankind at this time or ever. Online teaching for us was not difficult at all. I think the experience of teaching online through the pollution breaks the past 2 years and more helped us get into this arena as soon as possible. It only was a great medium to be able to stay connected with the children in ensuring that our curriculum was imparted with the same amount of sincerity, and that we could take it forward with the zeal and enthusiasm that the children could best experience. The idea behind this was all about ensuring that the year is not lost. In my opinion, this changed format of teaching, though a welcome one, since that was the only alternate available, can never replicate physical teaching. Somehow it is very important that a child and a teacher have a personal connect through a person-to-person, a physical medium. Online mediums cannot in any way replace classroom teaching. But I think our parents, the parent community, the children, and the staff members have taken it rather well. We have evolved as teachers. We have worked around our curriculum accordingly. We have revamped our style of teaching, and we have ensured that the variety, the spice, the style of testing, and every possible way where the child can stay engrossed is looked after and looked into. The parents, on the other hand, I feel, have been very supportive. They have not only ensured that they've been around for their children, they have been also there as support systems to the school. And I think that kind of a hand-holding between the parent community and the teacher community has helped take this platform forward in every possible way. Well, my take on this is completely my personal perspective. Like I said before, it isn't a platform that can exist forever between a teacher and child. It is quite easy to ensure that you transact a lesson and that a child somehow, the lesson is reached out to the child. But when it comes to ensuring whether the teacher-child contact, connect, a communicative connect, a minute-to-minute connect is possible, well, that is probably only possible within the four walls of a classroom. The beauty of connecting with your teacher in the school lobby, the beauty of connecting with friends and peers, the beauty of being able to connect with friends at the football field, being able to sit in your lunch hall and enjoy a meal with your friends. Nothing can replicate that.